Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add labels to the Trello app, the cards in the Trello app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, you have to open up the Trello app, and here it opens up in the boards where we have our boards based on the workspaces that we have. From here we just have to tap on one. Then in one of the lists that we have, we just have to tap on a card. Then we have to scroll down and tap on labels to add a label, and here we can edit what kind of label we want to add. For example, if we can add a green label, but we can name it, and we can select another color, not just the ones that are set. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.